The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Webster County, Northeastern Christian County, Southeastern Greene County, until 8:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:47 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Rogersville, or 10 miles northeast of Ozark, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to vehicles as expected. Locations impacted include Marshfield, Rogersville, Seymour, Sparta, Fordland, Diggins, and Linden. Precautionary/preparedness actions: for your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. & hail threat. Radar indicated. Max hail size 1.00 in. Wind threat. Radar indicated. Max wind gust less than 50 miles per hour. Beep, 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 beep.